Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal easy. To begin, grab your quick cooking oats. For a single serving, combine 1/2 cup of oats with 1 cup of liquid like water or milk in a microwave-safe bowl. This 1:2 ratio is key for a creamy texture. Microwave on high for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through until it reaches your desired consistency. It's that simple for a warm, satisfying breakfast. If you prefer the stovetop, the process is just as straightforward. For one serving, bring 1 cup of water or milk to a gentle boil in a small saucepan. Once boiling, stir in 1/2 cup of quick oats. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This method allows for a slightly chewier texture and a bit more control over the cooking process. Remove from heat and let it sit for a minute before serving. For a truly effortless morning, try overnight oats. In a jar or container, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of your preferred milk or water. Stir well, then cover and refrigerate overnight. The oats will soften and absorb the liquid without any cooking required. In the morning, simply grab it from the fridge, add your desired toppings, and enjoy a cool, creamy, and nutritious breakfast on the go. No matter how you prepare your oatmeal, the fun truly begins with toppings. Elevate your bowl with fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a handful of chopped nuts for added texture and nutrients. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup provides natural sweetness. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt to balance the flavors, and a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract can add a wonderful warmth. Experiment to find your perfect combination.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.